Atlas Copco's temporary power solutions serve many customers and many purposes. They are used as independent power sources to increase the autonomy of remote projects. They ensure off-the-grid backup for manufacturing sites. They offer power storage for renewable plants. They can be found in diverse and dynamic industries that need to be able to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. That is why their power consumption over the course of a working day rarely looks like this. This is more like it. The load varies significantly from hour to hour. But how to handle those peaks? The classic solution was to get one oversized generator that was chosen based on the highest need. Here's the problem with that approach. It's wasteful. You either have the generator running at full load and wasting the energy that's not needed by the process, or you're running it at partial load. But then you lose a significant part of the machine's efficiency. Surely there must be a better way to navigate such a fluctuating power demand. There is. You can use a power management system that operates two generators in parallel. In this setup, the second generator is used to handle the peaks in power demand coming from the process. It only contributes its power when needed, leading to a lower overall energy consumption. How much lower? Use our fuel efficiency calculator to predict the exact savings this tandem solution can deliver you. But now, Atlas Copco Rental offers a solution that is even more energy efficient. A single generator in combination with an energy storage module is the power solution of the future. This combination allows you to run your generator efficiently at full load, even when your process doesn't need that much power. The surplus energy is stored in the energy storage module. Once charged, that energy storage module takes over from the generator. When the stored energy runs out, the generator kicks in again. The result? Significant energy savings compared to the previous options, increased autonomy, and lower CO2 emissions and a lot less noise because your generator is not always running. Combine your generator with an energy storage module, the smart shortcut to efficient power production.